Hello students, in this video we are going to see about applications of exponential and logarithmic functions. So we know that an exponential function, it looks like e power x, okay. So already we have studied f of x is equal to e power x. So anything like this one, the power, if variable is there, it is exponential function. So it need not be always e, it may be 2 power x, 5 power x, okay. So anything like this one it may be. So here there are 4 models we are going to see: population doubling time model, exponential growth model, half-life decay model, exponential decay model. So if you understand, in problem we will give in such a way that using keywords you can able to understand the problem comes under which type of model, okay. If you look at the formula, all the formula looks like same. P equal to, see here, P naught, here A equal to A naught, then here exponential terms, A equal to A naught, then this is exponential term like this one, 2 power x or e power x something, okay. A equal to A naught, then exponential term. So you want to identify the particular model, then remember the formula, okay. So before studying for examination, first before solving the problems, first study the names and the particular formula. Then it is easy for you to understand the problem and write the solution, okay. So first I will explain what it is. Something it looks like same. See here, population doubling time model. What it means? The population means it may be population of anything. Population like a population of a country, or population or the bacteria population is increasing, something, anything like that one, okay. In how many days or weeks or months or years the population is doubling. So today it is, for example, 100 lakhs, okay. In how many days it will become 200 lakhs, okay. So that if in how many days it will increase, then if it is so, we can able to find in how much speed it will increase, that we can able to find using population doubling model. So in this one the key word is doubling, the word doubling. The second one is exponential growth model. So the word exponential growth means, generally if you look at this coronavirus or any bacteria, okay, it will grow. It will grow means first it may be for 10 cases, then increase to 20 cases, then 50, then suddenly 50, then suddenly 100 or 200, like that one it will increase. That is exponential growth model, okay. So here also A naught, wherever 0 is there, that is 0, P naught, A naught. This is nothing but the initial value. When starting, what is the answer, what is the value, okay. After 5 days or after 10 days, 10 days I am telling, that is T equal to 10 days or 10 years, depends upon the problem, okay. That will be given in the problem. Once all these things are given, then after 10 days how much will be the population, we can able to calculate, okay. So this is exponential growth model. Remember this word, exponential growth. You can note one more point also, okay. So here double means 2, so that's the reason here it is 2 power, easy for you to remember. Here exponential growth model, so here e power. Please note that this is also exponential, this is also exponential, okay. So sometimes whenever the word doubling will not come, but the word population will come, okay. Population of a country means this formula. Population of a bacteria in virus, okay, that means exponential growth model. We will see examples, you can able to understand easily. The next one, half-life decay model. The word half-life, what is the meaning for half? 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2, how can you write? 2 power minus 1. See, 2 power a negative number. You can see the same thing here, 2 power minus. 2 power minus. Here it is 2 power plus. It is 2 power t by d. Here 2 power minus t by h. Okay, so with that one you can tell this is half-life decay model. Next one, here it is half-life. This is the keyword. Next one again exponential, but see it is exponential decay. Here it is growing, that means increasing. Here it is decreasing, decreasing. See, you can able to understand first in the problem, understand the story. Bacteria are there. Okay, so number of bacteria are increasing. So it is exponential growth. You are having a product, for example, a battery of a mobile phone. Okay, you are having mobile phone. Okay, it is having battery life. What will happen to battery life? Will it increase always? Definitely not. It will decrease. Okay, so first, for example, the very first day when you charge your mobile phone for, it is 100% charge. If it is, it will long last for maybe for 10 hours. Okay, after 6 months, it full battery charge, it may come up to 8 hours. Okay, so that is battery life. The battery life is decreasing. At one stage, what will happen? It will not work. It is going towards 0. So all these are exponential functions. So you want to understand whether it is increasing or decreasing. So there are two models for increasing. Population doubling is increasing, exponential growth is increasing. Okay, so see the powers of the numbers here 2 power plus, e power plus. Here a half-life decay, it is reducing. In how much time it will become half of the life. Okay, so here it is minus, 2 power minus. Here also it is e power minus. Two things for 2. So doubling, the word doubling, the word half-life, it is for 2. And exponential growth, exponential decay, it is e. If you understand all these 4 formulas and the names, the problem solving is very easy. Here we are having nearly 8 to 10 problems. Very easily you can solve if you identify this one. Okay, so first you understand this one. Now we will go to problems. For your easy reference, I have written the formula here, the name of the model in the same order and also the formula. Okay, so which formula you will get, you can see from this video, you can refer here itself and you can study. Anyway, first question, answer the following questions. Write an exponential equation. See here, when you see the word exponential, don't think it is always exponential. Okay, it may be 2 power also. This is also exponential. Okay, so write an exponential equation describing the given population. Now this is keyword. At any time. What it is and another one. So in problem A, initial population is 200, doubling time. The word doubling is the main word here, keyword. This word doubling is not occurring at any other place. So in this case, use this rule. For 1A, doubling. Doubling means which formula? You know the formula. Immediately write the formula first. Population doubling time model means P is equal to P naught 2 power T by D. Okay. Please note that you want to substitute the correct values. They are not asking you to solve. You want to identify and write the proper equation. What are all the values you know, you substitute. Always this T stands for time. Okay, time. And also not only that one, here it is time. Time means it is time in hours or minutes or days, years. Everything is time only. Doubling time means D. D is doubling time. This is also time. D is also time. Okay. So, what are all the things given? Initial. The word initial means 0. See, P0. So, given P0 equal to 200, doubling time 5 months. That means D equal to 5. No need to write here 5 months. Okay, if you want write, no problem. When you substitute in the formula, no need to write here months and all. Just substitute in the formula. So what we will get? Any other values given? No other values are given. Okay, at any time. So time is not given. Any time means keep it T itself. Therefore, P equal to initial value 200 multiplication 2 power T value is not given, T divided by D. What is D? 5. That's all. That's all. So you should know how to write the equation. Okay, this is called model. This is model. Okay, if you want for 5 months here, so 10 months. No. If you want for Yes, 10 months. You can able to find directly by substitution of the value t here. Okay, this is the idea. So the second problem also only number change. So it may be months or it may be years. So no need to worry about that one. Problem C and D are of same type. I will do problem C. 1C. Initial population 2000. Okay, so please note that by looking at initial population, don't put P naught. First you want to identify which model. Continuous growth at 2% per week. So you want to write an exponential equation describing the given population at any time. Here the word doubling is not given, but continuous growth, growing. It is growing means we have only two models. See, one is population doubling model is growing, exponential growing is growing. These two are increasing. Growth means increase, but it is not doubling. It is not doubling, but it is increasing. So for problem 1C, it is number 2. So write here. So A equal to A naught e power kt. Now what are all the values given? A naught. See here, now this population, initial population means A naught. So given A naught is equal to 5000. No, it is 2000 here. So I will take 2000. 2000. Then continuous growth at rate. This is rate. That means in this problem, t is time, e is a number, a is the final answer. So k is nothing but the rate of growth. Even you can see the same thing here. Here they have written that one. Given the relative growth rate, 10%, 20%, that is rate. Okay, here it is given 2% per year. Okay, so 2%, don't write 2, write 2%. What is the meaning for 2%? It is equal to 2 divided by 100. Take your calculator and find 2 by 100. The answer is 0.02. Okay, when you write substitute in the formula, don't write percentage, write in terms of numbers. Now just substitute the values here. A equal to, therefore A is equal to A naught. A naught value we know that one, so we will substitute here. A naught value is 2000 multiplication e power k value just now we have written in terms of number 0.02. Then t value is not given, put a t. That's all. This is the model. Okay, so any problem comes, you want to identify like this one. In problem solving, what we are going to do, you want to create equation like this one, then t value will be given, substitute here, using calculator, find this one. So this is the idea which throughout this application we are going to do. Even though there are 4 models, the logic behind them are same. Okay. Few more examples I wish to do this one also. Problem number 2, A I will do because A and B both are same. C and C are same. So I will do one in each. Since you know the basic story about them, now I will go little fast. Okay, if you want, when you study, you have a provision to put pause and you can study, or you can listen to the video 1 or 2 times. Okay, when you are solving the problem, like how in class you are studying, you take the notebook, you write. Okay, after then take one problem and solve on your own, and then make sure it is right, then go to the next problem. Okay, write an exponential equation describing the amount of radioactive material present at any time. See here, mostly for radioactive material, these and all, mostly what will happen, it is like a battery. Okay, it will lose its power, so it is decay, it is going down. Okay, remember this one. So the material, it will not grow. Okay, it will not increase, it will decrease. Okay, why this keyword I am giving? Immediately when it is decreased, only two models should come to your mind: half-life decay or exponential decay. Okay, we'll see. Problem A, initial amount 100 grams, half-life 6 hours. See, this is the one. So which formula we want to use? Go to half-life decay model, write the formula. A is equal to A naught 2 power minus T by H. What are all the things given? A value is not given, only initial amount. Initial means A naught. A naught is given 100. Okay, next one, T is not given, any time T. H means what? H is also time. If you see here in the formula, D means doubling time. Double, how much time it will take to double. The same logic here, how much time it will take to half. Okay, so here H is halving time, half lifetime. H is equal to 6 hours, put only 6. Just to substitute these two in the given formula. Therefore, A is equal to 100 into, if you want to put X, okay, like that multiplication symbol. If you want, you put bracket. Okay, it's your wish. Since already I have used one method, here I am using another method. A equal to 100 2 power minus T divided by H. What is H? 6. Okay, this minus, you can put 2 minus T or minus 6, anything is right. Okay, it's not a mistake. You are free to put this minus any place, like 2 power minus 4 by 3 or 2 power 4 by minus 3. Both are same. Okay, you are free to put at any place. Same problem 2C I wish to do. Initial amount 4 kilograms. Okay, no problem. Initial amount 4 kilograms, maybe P naught or A naught, I don't know. But here I said radioactive. It is DK. DK, both DK are A naught only. Okay. Next one, continuous decay. The word continuous decay. Is there any half-life? No. That means it is exponential decay model. Okay. So it is number 4. So write the formula. A is equal to A naught e power minus KT. Given, what are all the things given? A naught is equal to the initial amount 4 kilograms. No, 4. 4 kilograms. Simply write 4. Continuous decay at this one. So it is nothing but K value. This is rate. Okay. 12.4 percentage. What should you want to do with the percentage? You want to convert into number. How will you convert? 12.4 divided by 100. I said to you, use calculator to find this value. Okay, if you want, I will show you that one here. Okay, you can see here. What is that one? It is given 12.4. 12.4 divided by 100. Press equal to. What is the number you are seeing? It is 0.124. This number I will write here. Okay, 0.124. Now you can write the model. Therefore, A equal to A naught value is 4. If you want to put multiplication carefully, don't confuse this one with X. This is multiplication. E power minus K value, just now I have calculated 0.124. Then T value, it is at any time, so it is T. That's all. It's finished. Okay, so this is the way how to create the function. Yes, this is exponential function. Okay, now I am going to solve a problem. I am going to find value for A or value for T or value for D, value for K, something I am going to find them. First you want to identify, you want to write the model. Okay, which is the suitable model you want to write, then solve. Okay, problem number 3 I will take. You can see all the problems are there in the book, in exercise problems as well as example, page number 52. You can check. The half-life of radium-226 is 1590 years. The meaning is, if you have some amount of radium, okay, for example 100 milligram is there, it will become 50 milligram. Half is 50 milligram in 1590 years. See how much time it is taking to decompose. That is the logic. Okay, one simple example I will tell you for the meaning for decompose. Okay, so at your home you may be seeing this tomato, for example, tomato. Okay, that red color vegetable. Okay, or apple, any vegetable. Okay, for example, you have tomato, you have apple. Two two things I am taking, one vegetable and one fruit. Okay, so it is very much fresh inside a refrigerator. After you keep it outside, okay, let me draw here also. Okay, after you keep outside, both you take it out and keep it outside at the same place. That means same temperature. Okay, so both will start to decompose. Okay, so for one thing it may take 10 days. Okay, when it goes nothing, that means the water inside will go nothing. Okay, maybe in 10 days. Okay, maybe for apple it may be 20 days. This 10 days or 20 days, just example I am giving. This is nothing but decaying time. Decaying time. Okay, that one it is given. See here, the radium material, it takes 1590 years to become half. Okay, so which model? So something your mind should tell something. See the word half-life. You are having only one place half-life. Here it is. This is the model, no doubt. Now what are all the other things given? How much of a 100 mg sample will be left in 500 years? That means today we are having 100 mg. After 500 years, see here, after 1590 years it will become 50. But in 500 years, how much it will be left? That is the question. Okay, so solution. Since you have identified half-life radium, first write the rule. A is equal to A naught 2 power minus T by H. Now what are all the things given? Given initial value. See, earlier we have directly given to you the initial amount, initial value something. But here you want to understand from the words given. A naught equal to 100 mg. Okay, will be left in 500 years. But here what is this? Half-life time is given. Half-life time means what? Here it is H. H is equal to 1590. But how much years after you want? 500 years. So T equal to 500. See, in the previous problems, at any time. But here the time is given in 500 years. Mostly we will give H in years means T also in years. If this is days, then this is also days. Okay, see here, you can see years, years. Okay, if these two are different means directly cannot substitute. But for you, we will never give like that one. If H in years, T also years. Okay, now substitute. Therefore, A is equal to, what do you want to find? How much of this is left? See, this is the remaining one. The initial value 100, but after 500 years, you will left with this quantity A. So substitute here 100 into 2 power minus T by H. T value is 500 divided by H value is 1590. Now take the calculator. See this calculation you can do in single calculation. How it is in calculator? 100, put multiplication, 2 power minus, see here minus, so minus, put here bracket, minus 500 divided by 1590, close the bracket, press equal to. So this you type in your calculator. I am showing this one also to you. See here. I want to see this one. Yes. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I will see the formula and I will type. Okay. What I said to you, 100 multiplication, see, multiplication, 2 power means cap, this cap is there, cap, open bracket, minus 500 divided by 1590, close bracket, equal to. What is the answer? 80.4148, something is there. You just after decimal point take 3 or 4 places. Okay, 80.414 I will take. 80.414 I will take. Actually, after then 8 is coming, so I want to add 1. Okay, if you don't do also, it is not a big mistake. Okay, see here, what you are finding? A and A naught, same unit. Same unit. What is A naught? What is A naught? 100 mg. So A is 80.414 mg. This much is left after 500 years. Okay, so this is in calculator. So this is the final answer. See, we have created, first you have identified which model, you have written what are all the things given, substituted in the formula, then simplify. You will get the answer. All the problems almost same idea. Okay, we'll go to next problem, problem 4. Researchers recorded that a certain bacteria, see I said to you bacteria, what will happen to bacteria? The bacteria population grow from 100 to 300 in 3 hours. What it is doing? It is growing. Suddenly in 3 hours, it becomes triple, 3 times increased. At this rate of growth, how many bacteria will be there in 24 hours from the start of the experiment? What will happen? In 3 hours, 3 times it goes. Okay, another 3 hours, this 300 will become 900. Another 3 hours, 900 will become into 3, 2700. See how much fast it is increasing. That is the reason it is called exponential. The growth is exponential. Okay. Now you see here it is increasing. Whether do you see any word double? It is increasing. So any one from these two. Do you see any word double here? There is no word double. So it is definitely the second one, exponential growth model. Remember this one. Okay, see in the problem they did not have used the word exponential. But then also we know how to identify the model. Okay, so you know the model now. Write this one, what are all the things given, substitute and get the answer. We will see. It's a new problem. We will see how it is. Solution. So A is equal to A naught e power kt. A naught e power kt. What are all the things given? See here, bacteria population grow from 100 to 300. That means it starts in 100. That means A naught equal to 100. In the previous one, A naught equal to 100 and it finished in 80. So we know the finish value. Here we know what is the value for the final answer. That means A. It is given. What is the final one? It is 300. You understand? In how many hours? What is this one actually? It is time t. Time is 3 hours. T equal to 3 hours. 3. There are 2 times. Here it is 3, here it is 24. What they are asking? What they are asking? In 24 hours, how much it will go? Now, what is the value for K? We don't know the value for K directly. Rate. At what speed it is going, we don't know. The rate we don't know. That we want to calculate first. So, how to calculate that one? Substitute. See here, A naught, K, T. There are 4 quantities. If you know 3 quantities, the 4th one you can find. That we are going to find now. Substitute all, therefore, substitute all these 3 values in this particular equation. A value is 300 equal to A naught is 100 multiplication e power K value we don't know. Put K here, okay. Then T value is 3. So it is 3T. See, this is equal. So you can cancel 0, 0 and 0, 0. Now it is simply 3 equal to e power 3t. Do you know how to solve this one? Do you know how to solve this one? Can you do it directly using calculator? If you are not able to do using calculator, what you can do? Convert this one into exponential form to logarithmic form, which we have already studied. Okay, I will try in that way, even though there is another method. First I will try with the known method. What is this method? Do you remember this one? A equal to b power x is same as x equal to, okay, log a to the base b. See, this method, this formula. Substitute here. This is 3 equal to e power 3t. Now this is implies, okay, I said it to you, I will put arrow from one side only. Okay, from here we are writing this one. This is equal to x value. What is the x value? Power 3t. 3t here. Equal to log a value. What is the value for a? A value is 3. Put here 3. What is the value for b base? It is e. Okay, see here, log base to the e. That means it is ln. It is ln. Anyway, you want to find value for t. T is equal to, see here, log 3 to the base e means it is ln. Ln 3 divided by this 3. If you want, write the answer. Okay, but this is not the final answer. I want at this rate of growth, how many bacteria will be there in 24 hours? Yes, one thing I have missed it. I think it is K actually. It is not a T. It is K. Okay, that's what here I am getting again T. So it is K value. It is not a T value. It is K value. 3K, 3K. Because in the formula I know the value for T. So I have written T. K value is I am finding. Here K, here K, here K value. This is K value. So now what do you want to find in 24 hours? That means T value is 24. Shall I substitute here? So the same formula, what are all the values you know, substitute everything. See here, A value, now you want to know at this rate, what will be this amount? This amount is not known now. Okay, at time t equal to 24 we know. So at time t equal to 3 it is A, 300. Okay, at time t equal to 3 it is 300. Now time is changed. So A is changed. This is initial value. Initial value remains always the same. Therefore, A value I want to find is equal to A naught. It is 100 multiplication e power. See, now it is K value. K value already we know that one. Already we know that one. Substitute here. Log 3 to the base, divided by 3. Multiplication what? T value. What is T value? 24. Multiplication 24. If you want, you simplify here. But use calculator directly. I will show it to you how to use calculator. See, in mathematics, when we write, we are not putting a bracket anywhere. Without bracket, we can do. When you do using calculator, please put a bracket here. See, 100 multiplication e power. E, where is e? Above this log. So, e power. Power means what? No need to put cap here. Open bracket. Open bracket. Here, log 3 multiplication 24, then divided by 3. Okay, for simplicity, if you want, see, you can cancel this one also. 3 and 8, 24 cancel. It is 8. So, e power 8 multiplication log 3. See, e power 8 multiplication ln. Log means here ln 3. Close bracket. What is the answer? Some big number is coming. Write completely. 656, 100. 656, 100. See, imagine. Imagine. What is the value for A? What is the unit for A? How many bacteria? These many bacteria. See, it looks like it starts with 100. In 3 hours, it will become just 300. Okay, so don't take this very simple. 24 hours means in 1 day. The same rate increasing means in 1 day it will become 6,56,100 bacteria. Okay, so the growth is huge. That we can able to identify it only with the help of such exponential functions. In the previous problem, you have created the model, directly substituted. In this problem, you have created the model, one intermediate value you have calculated, that means rate you have calculated, then the final answer you have calculated. Okay, So this is the maximum difficulty of a problem. Okay, otherwise we will give step by step. Anyway, I wish to do one more problem. Problem 5. The problem looks like a big, okay, but one time you read, you will understand. In exam also, same type only we will give. Read, it's like a story. All the problems you can read, everything are stories. Okay. According to a 2008 estimate, the population of Nicaragua, it's a country, was about 5.7 million. Population on this date it is given. And that population is growing. Population growing. The word population is growing means anyone. Anyone. To a high birth rate and relatively low mortality rate. Okay, so birth rate is high and what is the number of people dying is less. Generally it will be like that one only in any country. This is natural one. Okay, so don't much concentrate in this one. Okay, but anyway, here when you study first time, you want to understand what exactly all these things are. In exam, you understand directly what are all the things given. If the population continues to grow at the current rate means the same speed. Okay, it is growing in the same speed, it will double in 37 years. See here, some countries the population will double in 37 years, some country 30 years, some country 50 years. It depends upon the country. They are telling for this country it is double. Yes, this point, doubling in 37 years. So this is population doubling model. Okay, double in 37 years. If the growth is steady, remains steady, that means same growth. What will be the population in 15 years? So it will double in 37 years. Okay, 5.7 will become some 11.4 something in next 37 years, from 2008 to plus 37 years. But what they are asking in 15 years, 15 years means 2023, what will be the population? Okay, that we want to find. Okay, this is the complete story. Calculate answers to 3 significant digits that we will see. Solution. So we have already identified the model. It is population doubling model. So write the rule P equal to P naught 2 power T by D. So this should be put a little small. Okay, don't confuse with this T. It is 2 power T by D. Now what are all the things given? See, there are so many numbers. 2008 is a number. Don't confuse where you want to substitute. We are not substituting that one. Okay. So population of initial, this is the initial population. So given P naught is equal to 5.7 millions. I am not writing millions. Then directly here, if the population continues to grow at the same rate, it will double. That means doubling time is given. D is given equal to 37 years. If the growth remains steady, what will be the population in 15 years? 15 years means what? When time t equal to 15, what will be the population? What will be the population? Just substitute in the formula. Therefore, P equal to P naught value is 5.7 into 2 power T value is 15 divided by D value is 37. Take your calculator, calculate this one. Please note that I am going to write the answer now, but you put pause, you calculate one more time, then you continue and see the answer. Okay. Now I will do this one. See here, 5.7 multiplication 2 cap, that means 2 power bracket 15 divided by 37 close bracket. What is the answer? It is 7.549. No, 7.549. 7.549. See, they have mentioned 3 significant digits. That means after decimal point 3 places you take. So it is 7.549 I will take. 7.549. What is P? P is population. You can see here. P naught. What is P naught? 5.7. 5.7 million. So 7.549 million. Do you understand? In 2008, the population 5.7. It will double in 37 years. 37 means what? 2000 plus 2008 plus 37. 2045. It will become 11.4. Double. Multiply by 2. This multiply by 2. This add by 37. But what you want to find? Maybe 2021 how much? Or here in the problem they have said in 15 years. That means 2008 plus 15. 15 plus 8, 23. So 2023, what will be the population? Definitely it will be between these two numbers. Understand? It will be between these two numbers, 5.7 and 11.4. Substitute here. It is 7.549. You can see this one. Your answer is right or wrong. You can cross check like this way. All the problems the same logic. Okay. See the answer, if it is, for example, if it is a negative number, then your calculation is wrong. If it is less than 5 or more than 11.4, it is wrong. So check your answer like this one. Okay. When you complete, so just write population in millions. Okay. It is given in terms of millions. So I write in terms of millions. Almost all types of problems like this one only. I hope so you can follow this one. Okay. Next problem, 6. The radioactive isotope gallium-67. This is the chemical name. Okay, 67Ga. Used in the diagnosis of malignant tumors. Has a biological half-life. See, easy to identify which model. Half-life. Half-life. Where is it? Here. Directly it is number 3. We will see, but read the problem completely. In this much hours. If we start with 100 mg of isotope, how many milligrams will be left after 24 hours? In 46.5 hours, it will become half. But in 24 hours, how much will be remaining? That is the question. Solution. Half-life. So, half-life decay model. So, A is equal to A naught 2 power minus T by H. Now what are all the things given? Okay, before I write, please put a pause. You write the answer. Now you know the idea. You write the answer. Okay. Anyway, I will write here as a biological half time is given. Okay, let me write half time. H is equal to 46.5. If we start with, we are starting with this one, initial value A naught equal to 100 milligrams or mg. Okay, you are free to use mg also. Of the isotope, how many milligrams will be left after 24 hours? That means T equal to 24. What is the answer you want to find? Just substitute all these in this formula, what we will get. Therefore, A is equal to A naught value is 100 into 2 power minus T by H. What is the value for T? 24 divided by H value 46.5 equal to, take your calculator, first put pause, stop the video, okay, do it yourself, check the answer at the end with me, okay. Anyway, if I have done any calculation mistake, please tell to me, I will correct that one also. Yes, here it is 100 multiplication 2 power open bracket. See here it is 2 power, so I put cap. Okay, if it is exponential, I will not put cap. That you want to remember. Minus 24 divided by 46.5 close bracket equal to. What is the answer? 69.9245 something. So 69.92. 69.92. Anyway, they did not have mentioned how many um, how many decimal places. Anyway, you take just one or two, that is enough. Don't put only 69. Okay. Now what is A? What is A? A and A naught. See A naught. A naught is 100. 100 milligrams. So it is milligrams. See here. When they are starting at a time t equal to 0, it is 100. Okay. At half-life. Half-life means this 100 will become 50 when in 46 hours, 46.5 hours. But now you want to know at intermediate time in 24 hours. So time equal to 24 is here. So a number between 0 and 46.5. So the answer will be in between 150, 69.92. Do you understand the story? If you understand all these things, you can enjoy. Otherwise, just substitution and simplification, that's all. Okay, you are not studying for that one. Please note that. Just understand, realize, feel it. Okay, when you study, you want to feel this one. How it is increasing, when increasing, what to do, how, because of the formula, why it is increasing, because of the formula, why it is decreasing. That you want to understand. Anyway, here I will give you the idea. Already we have solved the problem number. They have given 3. I will take 7. The same story already. Okay, Nicaragua was about 5.7. The same story, same problem. Please try this one and check the answer like this one, how I have done. Okay, in exam, no need. By looking at, you can tell the answer. You can check the answer. Okay. Next one, 8. The use of insecticide. Insecticide, you know the meaning for insecticide. In a garden, we will put some medicine, right? Pesticide for avoiding some insects. Okay, they are, when you put that one, see the effect. You can see that one from here. The use of insecticide is no longer allowed in many countries. That is true. Because if you put for one time, okay, it is very difficult to remove from that place. Okay, see, this is the soil. This is the soil. This is the soil. Okay, we are going to grow plants here. Okay, what will happen? Some insects will attack. Okay, countries like India, if you see, there are lots of insects. So what we will do to avoid that, even you can see that on recent days, that locusts. Okay, I don't know in Arabic. Some, what is it? It will attack the plants. Okay, to avoid them, so we will put some pesticides. Okay, that pesticide, it will be on the plants as well as on the floor. On the floor, that means on the ground, on the field. Now, on this field, if it is there, it is very difficult to remove from here. It will settle down. It will go inside the sand. It will go inside. Every year we will put, every year it will go something inside. This will lose its power, but it will take number of years, 20 years, 30 years. So before it lose power, the next set we are putting. Before it lose power, again we are putting next set. That is the reason this type of problem you want to study. Okay. Because of its long-term adverse effects. If a farmer uses 25 pounds of active DDT, assuming half-life. So you know how to identify the problem, half-life. 12 years. How much will still be active in 5 years? Okay, this is one problem. In 20 years is another problem. I will do only one. Okay, so you have identified the model. So it is A equal to A naught 2 power minus T by H. What are all the things given? Initially, how much active? 25 pounds. A naught equal to 25. Then what is this one? Half time. Where is it? Half life is 12 years. H equal to 12. Then you write what is T. T is you want to find for 5 years. Substitute everything here. Therefore, A equal to A naught is 25 multiplication 2 power minus T by H. T is 5 divided by 12. Take your calculator, find this one, after then refer to my answer. Anyway, I will do this one. 25 multiplication, open bracket, no need of open bracket, 2 power. Now open bracket, minus 5 divided by 12. Let me check. 25 into 2 power minus 5 divided by 12, close bracket, equal to. How much it is? 18.7288. 18.72 I will take. 18.72. See here, 25 pounds. Started with 25 pounds. In 5 years, it becomes 18.72. Okay, let it be in terms of pounds. Because A0 is 25 pounds. See how I am checking A and A0. A0 is 25. 25 means 25 pounds. So A is also in terms of pounds. Is left. Okay, remember this one. Same problem, same thing. Instead of A0, the same thing. Instead of taking t equal to 5, if you take t equal to 20, you will get the answer for next one. See what will happen, we will see that one. I will just show in the calculator what it is. Instead of 5, it is 20. That's all. So you put here 2, then insert 0. Press equal to, you will get the answer. Correct? There is something. 7.78. Yes. So it is 7.78. It is reducing. That point you want to understand. Because in 12 years it will become half. Now in 20 years, okay, it is reducing even half of that one. Do you understand? When we start, it is 25 pounds. Half, it will go to half. Okay, it will go to half, 12.5 in how many years? 12 years. Now you have calculated for 5 years. T equal to 5, you have calculated 18.72. I have calculated for 20 years, how much it is? 7.8. 7.87. See here, you can see this one. Time is increasing, this is decreasing. It reduced even further half. That is the point you want to note. Okay? We'll go to the next problem. Almost all the problems same idea. Identify what is this one. Anyway, I am not going to explain this one, which model. I don't wish to explain. Completely homework. Anyway, you know how to find easy half-life. Yes, one point I wish to tell. By looking at the number plutonium-241, don't think what is 241. This is the product name. If you want to know, for example, iPhone 8. iPhone 8. This 8 is model name. The same way 241 is that particular plutonium. It is having some number. It is in chemistry, that number we will get. Okay, so don't worry about this number. Whatever number here, we are not going to substitute in the formula. Okay, note this one. Same problem. But see, this is a big problem. Please note that. We will not ask this much big. Maybe one question we will ask. Any one question we will ask. Anyway, I will explain whether you can able to solve this one or not. At the start of an experiment, 2000 bacteria are present in a colony. I don't know, A0 or P0, we don't know. After 2 hours, the population is 3,800. Okay, it is not doubling. Please note that it is not doubling till now. We will see. Determine the growth constant K. So directly they have given growth constant you want to find. That means exponential growth model. Okay, use, okay, this one. Use formula 2 to find K. Okay, now you know the value for K. What is B? Determine the population 5 hours. Okay, you want to find population. Find A. Okay, to find A, 5 hours after the experiment starts. That means find A if T equal to 5. When you put T equal to 5, what will you put for K? Here you are finding K value. That K value you want to substitute here. Already we have solved a problem like this one. The same logic. The next question, when will the population reach 10,000? That means, see in the formula, The same formula only. A naught is 10,000 they have given. Sorry, A is 10,000 they have given. When will the population reach 10,000? Time, when will? That means time you want to find. So, for this one I will write it is 10,000 equal to initial value, we know that one 2000, multiplication e power k value, here you will get k value, substitute that k value into t. See, power t is there. You know how to calculate the value for t, already we have calculated here. See, the same logic. Here you have calculated k value. How will you calculate k? The same logic. You will get the value for t. Whether it is t or whether it is k, it is in exponential. That point only you want to understand. Whether it is 2 power 10 or 2 power 20, how will you calculate using calculator directly? The same logic here. Whether it is t or whether it is k, everything same. Here to find k, first you want to use the same formula. Okay. With that help, with the help of that one, you can find this one. Okay. Please note that when you do this problem in 2 hours, the population is this one. That means when you find k, a value is given 3800. Note that. Don't think how a value will be here 3800. Here a value is 10,000. It's not like that one. To find k value, when you see, read the problem. So the story comes like that one. Okay. If you want, we give different names, A1, A2, A3. It will confuse you. So we are not giving different. Even you can see here, t is here. So every time you are finding when t equal to, all these are values of a. Here it is the initial value, so a naught. Otherwise, this is also a value, this is also a value, this is also a value. Okay, if I give you this is a1, this is a2, this is a3, it will definitely confuse you. Okay, so always we will take the common name a. Like a function, x we will take. F of x, always we will take x. Okay, even though we put some particular number here, sometimes we will take f of x only. The same logic. Okay, so please do this one. Upload it to me in e-learning. I will check it is right or wrong. Okay. Yes, this is the last one. Since all the problems we have studied, I will just check if this comes under which problem. Okay. There are 2 into 10 power 4 bacteria present in a colony. Bacteria is there, that means it is increasing. 8 hours later, the population is the same problem like this one, exponential growth model. Okay. For this one, I will just put the formula model 2. Okay. Second one, half-life, number 3. The half-life of sodium 24, the same thing. Product name is sodium 24. Don't confuse with this one. 14.9 hours. Suppose that a hospital buys a 40 gram sample of sodium 24. How much of the sample will remain in 48 hours? Same type of problem. The last one, a bank problem. Suppose $2,000 is invested in an account which offers 7.125% compounded monthly. What will happen? For example, if we put some amount in bank, the bank will give interest. If we take money from bank, we want to pay interest. Okay, so that is the difference. This is universal. Okay, maybe in Oman may be a little different, but it is universal. When we put money to bank, bank will give interest. Remember that point. Okay, here it is $2,000 is invested in an account. So compounded monthly, that means what will happen? 2,000 will become some amount. When you put for 1 month, it is maybe 1 real or 2 real, it will increase. So it will, what will happen? In the first month, it will become maybe, for simplicity, I will take some 10 real. Okay, this 2,000 I have put 10 real bank has given. In the second month, what will happen? The same 2,000 is there, along with that one, 10 real is also there. So now it is, the second month it will be 2,000, maybe 22. Why I put 22? 2,000 from here, 10 is there, and another 10, then for this 10, 2 real. Just example I am doing. This is called compounded monthly. You no need to worry much about this one. It is increasing. That is the point, growth. You want to know only this point. Express the amount A in the account as a function in terms of investment. What formula will you use? It is increasing. If it is increasing means first one or second one. Whether doubling is there? There is no doubling. Please note that they have mentioned the word double. It is the last question. Not in the first one. Please note that. They did not have said to you it is doubling in this many years. They did not have said it till now. Okay, so don't put, by looking at the word double, don't tell it is number 1. Okay, it is not there. So it is, please note that number 2. Number 2. So express the amount A in amount as function. Okay, this the model you want to write. How much is in the account after 5 years? After 5 years means T equal to 5. No, where is it? Population, no, I'm sorry, really sorry. It is not population doubling model, it is exponential growth. This formula we want to use. Okay, so here T value is 5, rate you want to find. Rate also is given. See here 7.125%. Substitute here, you will get A value. They are asking how long will it take for the initial investment to double. To double means, what is the initial amount? 2000. You substitute in this formula. 2000 will become 4000 in how many years? You calculate that one. Okay. So up to this one you can do easily. See, we have only 2 types of problems. One, direct substitution and get the answer. Substitute and get the answer. Or before substitute and get the answer, in between value we are calculating. Only 2 types of problems. For you to understand, I have taken a lot of problems. Don't think there are so many problems. The idea is same. You want to identify whether it is population growth or population decay. You want to know whether it is double or half. Okay, with that, with the help of these things, you can easily remember the formula. If you have confusion in remembering the formula, don't study one day before exam. Study from today itself. Okay, the message when you see the first time, you will see it today. So every day when you see the same video, you will get today. Okay, so don't like it. So it means you want to study this one every day. Okay, it is easy for you to understand. Now, any homework, okay, if you do it and if you have any doubt, any questions, feel free to send a message to me. In my free time, I will send this particular answer to you. Okay. Okay, students. It's better if you have any doubt, you solve completely, take a clear picture, upload it to me. Okay. Okay, students. Wish you all the best. Okay.